Good evening, everyone. Today, I'm thinking very long, but I do. Some friends ask me, how can you cook mm, green curry? Or in Thailand, we call Kaeng Kiawwan. Kiaw is green, Wan is sweet. Green curry we will cook with coconut milk. And be careful that green curry is most spicy. More another curry, more than red, more than yellow, more than orange curry. This one you can buy everywhere, you can find everywhere. Not only Asian store, you can find also uh, normal supermarket, but will be another brand. My technique very easy, we use not much. I have a chicken 250 gram, I will use only half of for one person. This one I use today, I don't have Thai vegetable, I use zucchini. Curry I use only 1 spoon, but not so full, not too full. Sugar, I have here soy sauce, and I have here fish sauce. If you don't like this, put more soy sauce, can help. Also kaffir lime leaf. Look like for lemon. And bacillus. I have plenty here. This one I clean already. It's very easy. First you will fry, I do all the time, is my trick is I do different. Some people fry with curry, fry with coconut milk. I use oil, sunflower oil, just a little bit, it's not too much. Around teaspoon. I start fire. And then I gonna put curry. I use aluminum foil because after cook I too lazy. Easy clean. And this kaffir lime leaf. But if you don't have this, it's no problem. I use because I like from smell very good from this thing. Now after curry, around 1 minute, I use around chicken meat around 125 gram for one person. Have only, okay, leave it. You fry until chicken done. This kind of food in Thailand, they eat many with noodle. Coconut milk I use for one person 250 milliliters. This brand I use all the time, and I smell really strong. Checking first and turn on fire soft. Turn on fire hard. Now vegetable, zucchini. I use only half from whole fish. Sugar don't use too much. Teaspoon. 1 teaspoon. Soy sauce. 1 teaspoon for one person. Because you have to very be careful when you cooking something with coconut milk. Coconut milk very is already a little bit soft, and then you use not too much. First you a little bit, and if not enough yet, if you try, you put more. Fish sauce, 1 teaspoon. Wait around 1 minute. Thai food is very easy to cooking, but you have to know, learn first how you like, what you like. Everybody have difference. If I cook for myself, I put more curry. I put more fish sauce because I eat spicy and salt. And you have to first, if you don't trust yourself, yes, and just everything a little bit. If done, you try first, test first. Oh, I need more sweet. You put more sugar. I need more salt, but I don't like fish sauce. soy sauce. Now, gonna be done. Bacillus leaf. We use when we turn off fire only. It's done. If you need more spicy, if someone love spicy, just put more curry. That is chicken with green curry. And thank you very much. I hope you will try to cooking this. And we'll see you next time. Maybe tomorrow, if I have time, if not busy. And thank you very much for enjoy and watching my movie. Bye bye.